is Adarsh Kumar Sahu. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teacher, guests, and all my listen. My name is Adarsh Kumar Sahu. I read in class 2, Remedial School, Gaurapur, Kendrapara. This is the model of solar power irrigation. And today my topic is solar power irrigation system. Before I explaining, I want to say about this is solar panel, this is pump, this is controller, this is pond, this is agricultural area. When sunlight falls in solar panel, it make electricity from sunlight and store in controller. Then pump will be rise underground water to spread in agricultural land benefit. It is very low budget because it is the free energy. This model does not pollute environment. This model is easiest model for agriculture.